Okay, so I emailed the guy who made this adapter, and he said it will only work with PC keyboards. I don't know what the difference is between a USB Mac keyboard and a USB PC keyboard, other than, you know, the key functions and stuff. But anyway, let's see if this makes a difference. Okay, I've got a solid light now. Oh, and I got keyboard light flashes. Try that again. I don't know if that's coming from the Amiga or if that's just when this thing hits the wireless. Okay, no num lock, but I don't think there's a num lock on the caps lock. Okay. I say this works. Now, I just need to find a Kickstart disc.